everyone, this is Uzi Vlogs and welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while since I have done a video, and yes, I'm coming back, trying to again react on to some of the musics that we actually love doing. And ito nga, no, it's I've never reacted for how many years, or a year and a half or something like that. But anyways guys, I hope you guys are still there and supporting me. And then unang-una, maraming salamat for staying there. And dun sa times na wala ako, no, na hindi ako nakakapag-react. And I think some of you might know that it's part of what I need to fulfill. That's why I couldn't react, because I was also part of working with these groups. And ito nga sinasabi natin, yung SB19, no, that's what I'm going to do my reaction for today, kasi I was working with them on the Pagtatag era, and yeah, as one, I was part of the group na nagdala sa kanila sa Middle East, Dubai, to be exact. And I was part of that production ng Dubai. And of course, on that note, I cannot really be myself involved on the things that you know, like even the reacting, I'm trying to avoid it. Not really necessary na talaga namang sinabi na bawal, but then sa akin lang is para lang, di ba, with the element of surprise and everything. And I've stopped doing that because I was focused on that. Now it's all done, and then I'm so happy that I managed to get back into this. Ito nga, itong damn reaction, sobrang natin ko itong gawin, and ito, gawin na natin. And para sa mga nandyan, bago pala sa akin channel, for sure, baka hindi nyo pa ako nakikita, first time nila ako nakita, Uzi Vlogs mo, been a reactor since what era? Alam era. So I've been there and supporting SB19, and I also became a producer and promoter of concerts of Pagtatag in the UAE, and also Josh Collins Lost and Found as a promoter in Dubai. So ayun na guys. Now most probably my reaction now will be on a certain point of view of not only as an A-team, but also a fan of their music, but also as a, what do you call that, as a producer's point of view. Also bibigay ko rin sa inyo yung what are my thoughts in regarding the music, no? Kasi actually it opened up a lot of things when I was working with them. Doon ko nakikita yung importance nung musika, nung kanta, nung performance. Doon ko nakita na napalaking bahagi talaga ng ibinibigay ng mga kanta nila na ginagawa nila doon sa actual yung market, especially here in the international market, UAE market, on this note. So ayun, sana subaybayin itong reaction ko. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Click subscribe, like, share, and also comment your thoughts down below. So here we go guys, let me start doing this. This is SB19 Damn, and what are my thoughts on this one?
Ano bang pakiramdam? Dati lang, payapa, malaya at puno ng pagmamahal ang lahat. Naglaho ng dahil sa makamundong kasakiman.
Ang ganda ng intro niya, no?
Paano po ba iingatan ang kaibigan kung ang kapaligiran
tells you
ang
the story.
Paano ba hihigitan pa ang dulo ng kabutihan? At paano ba wawakasan ang isang bagay na hindi naman nagawang simulan? Ano bang pakiramdam?
Galing nito. And syempre hindi naman bago sa akin. Kasi marami na
This is ugly, but alam mo naman, dami like it, kasi may kahit na ano pa yan, come bite me. Kung saka nadudol pag may dumating na maitim na ulap, ako kikiligin. Kung tutok sa positibo ay baka lang papraning, kasi pag realidad na ang harang, agad nagising.
Anong pakiramdam, pumanig sa walang hanggang hagdan?
Alam mo yung we'll just pause it right here, no? Yung intro na binibigay nitong Dam, it will cling you, no, to yung mismong video. Kumbaga hihigupin ka ng video para panoorin mo sila. I mean, like, nakita ko na tong Dam actually. So I will be honest, hindi to yung first time ko nakita yung Dam. Napanood ko na to, narinig ko na rin siya sa dami ba namang mga TikTok videos and all that, no? So narinig ko na siya. But what I just wanted to give my outlook or opinion do sa video is ang ganda nung intro, no. Hindi siya yung typical na hahanapin mo kagad yung artista. Ngayon dito parang meron siyang pinapahiwatig na mensahe kagad, story, 'di ba? Doon ka magki-cling do sa story. Doon tapos mai-immerse sa'yo yung kanta. Tapos habang iniintindi mo yung kanta, pinapanood mo sila. Yung ganun, kung ano ba yung mangyayari. So it's like you're watching a mini film, but at the same time you also listening to the actual music. So yun yung maganda dito sa Dam. And I like doon sa intro na ginawa ni Josh doon, no. Bagay sa kanya, ganun. Kumbaga may hindi lang yung angas alam mo yung Josh talaga, yung signature niya na yung tipong badass, you know, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Alam mo naman si Josh, we all know na even in person ganun talaga siya. Talagang may angas talaga siya, and I would say idol ako niyan. Actually, to be honest, isa ako sa na-mesmerize sa kanya when I was working with him, no. Sobrang maangas na madaling lapitan, maangas pero totoong tao. Yun ang masasabi. I think that's with how I'm gonna plainly say that, totoong tao, nakikinig, and basta ganun. I mean, like, he is there to when he listens to you, ganun. Pero may angas siya. Alam mo yun, yung tipong di mo wala yung angas sa kanya. Yun. Well, okay, let's go back to the music video. I think itong pinoportray nitong mga scenes nila, no, hindi pa tayo umaabot kay Pablo, but ito yung pinoportray, kumbaga, the way I understand it, no, I mean, like, siguro may, this is all my opinion, yung, kumbaga, story nila, no, I mean, Josh was the, parang, yung, parang, medyo, may struggle nung simula niya sa pera, parang ganon, kumbaga, financially struggle, and then Ken was going and traveling towards do sa goal, and siya yung tipong yun, nakapagsabi actually ito sa akin itong thoughts. It's actually not my original thoughts, but then when I agreed on it, oh yeah, actually like that. Yung tama yun yung siya yung tipong naglalakbay kasi he came from the siya yung dumating from the last, siya yung last na pumasok sa grupo and all that, no. And then if you look at Stel, it's more of like marami siyang parang hindrances at maraming mga kinukutya siya from his image way before, no, sa mga nakakaalam or sa mga nandito, or if you backtrack their story, talagang maraming mga pagsubok ang pinagdaanan ni Stel doon dahil sa alam mo yun, pangungutya ba ng mga ibang tao. And of course, and then let's watch the video so I can
Bakit ba nagkaganto? Ang daming tukso, bawat takbang laging may gulo. Pagkamalas, ba't di ko galing tumakbo? Dito lang ako, kasalanan kong lahat ng to, nagumpay sa paggusto.
And I also like the lyrics, no? Talagang meron silang yung lyrics na yung binibigay ng Dam. It's more on yung yun nga siguro, yung damdamin nila towards dun before they manage to get to the current status na meron sila sa buhay, no? Yung pinagdaan nila. Of course, it's more na binabalikan pa nila yung dati. Yung parang gano'n na kahit, di ba, nakita mo kay Josh kanina, madami na siyang pera and all that. Pero, minsan bumabalik pa rin sa kanya yung feeling nung dati. Nung financially struggle siya. Tapos, Ken also, at the same time, yung working his way towards his goal, to be able to find himself, di ba? To be able to find the success, kahit successful na siya, bumabalik pa rin yung kind feeling. Still has the same thought. And Justin, most probably, it's yung finding kung ano yung purpose niya dun sa grupo. Parang ganyan, di ba?
Scenes, I'm all ears with two hands. Wag mo kung hamunin. Yeah, Mike's got susunugin. Yeah, lots of bliss, 'cause I'm the great.
Ayun, sige, parang ganun eh. Yung tipong scene na talaga, no? On the music video is depicting I mean, like, they have the bashers, the people who doesn't support them from way before, something like that. Or even now, most probably there are some still people not supporting them in their music and what all and what not. And then of course, Pablo is still that person, no? If you can see, if he is still, meron siyang even mga comments na kadang may minambabash or whatever. He's still the guy who's gonna say like, you know, like, kill it with kindness, di ba? May ganun. Choose to be kind, di ba? Laging ito nga yung linya niya. But then yung pa rin siya, no? Parang still black and okay, easy ka lang, chill ka lang, di ba? Ganun.
The best pessimist and y'all cannot contest. Gracious don't excite me, not the famous.
Parang kumbaga may mga wisdom na manggagaling sa kanya, and then I'm just making like, I'm just trying to connect, no, yung whatever I see on dun sa actual video.
This never ends. Nasaan ba yung mga paa? Kung di naman kaya tumayong isa. Ano ka ng pangarap? Kung matutuwag ka lang sa pahamo. Eto na, kailangan mong maniwala.
Even the music of the Dam is parang kahit na-achieve na nila yung mga dreams nila na gawa na. Then they wanted to have more of these dreams. Meron pa rin mga balakid at maraming pagsubok na pinagdadaanan na. Tapos kailangan pa nilang panghawakan yung dreams na yun. Parang sige, mahirap pa eh. Mahirap eh. Parang akala natin ganun na kadali pero mahirap pa rin, di ba? Of course, I mean like I cannot say all of it. There are things happen especially before this pagtatag. But I just leave it like that, you know. I just leave it like that because basta. You stay clueless about the feeling. Yes. Let's keep it like that. Kumbaga, they keep it like that and they manage to keep it for themselves and make it alam mo yun, parang I know there's a lot of people who's asking like, what happened, I mean like they have managed, what I say, how strong they are as a group, they manage to go and to make it. So that's isa yun sa mga hinahangaan ko talaga sa grupong to eh. The respect that I have for them, utmost respect in order to be able to alam mo yun, hang in there and then do whatever it takes para at least matagumpayan nila yung mga pagsubok nila. Super solid. Again, let's go back to the video.
Panagdagan ko ang daming tukso.
Tawad ang panglaging may ulo. Pagkamalas
Ba't ko galing tumakbo? Dito lang ako. Kasalanan kong lahat ng to. Nakumpay sa
Para talagang story nito. This Dam, actually, I can relate onto this because I kind of basta meron tong relation sa mga nangyari sila sa buhay and all that, and this is my opinion, no? Probably not, but I mean the way, kasi iba.
Gusto!
Itong ano na to, well, The Crow itself, I would say, my understanding towards this is, yung The Crow itself was yung mga dati rin siguro nilang mga hindi mga 18 din, mga dati mga 18 na they're just there like protecting them. I think this is what my personal interpretation is, protecting them. And then when they really cannot handle everything, and then 18 was the one who kind of like sa kanila, pa-survive, yung ganon, yung tipong will always be here, and then kung ano man yung kailangan basagin, babasagin, di ba? Parang ganon. And then they become a little bit free, and of course there's marami pa rin talagang pagsubok, no, even before they got to this era. Yun. So ito I think yung mensahe para sa akin, again, para sa akin to. Ito yung parang nagiging story, yung story ng buhay nila up to now. Grabe, no? Parang ang lalim eh. Ang lalim. I hope I can say more, but that's the only thing that I can say. Nakalagay everything has a reason.
At ay may dahilan, huwag ka na, sige lang sa paghabang. Ano ba, higit ng sagat na, kung ito na ang wakasan, walang simula. Ito na, ito na, ito na, ito na,
Sinipin pa to sila. Galing, no?
bakit ba nagkaganto ang daming tukso?
Ayun, no? Even that scene, yeah? When they all think that managed na nila, nandun na sila on the top, and then of course hindi naman to sa lahat na they have yung nagkaroon sila ng issue, and during the pagtatag era na sa pagtatag yun, diba, nagkaroon sila ng issue, and hindi nila nagamit yung name nila. We all know that it's out in the open. Diba, ito yun. I think this is resemble, again, this is for me, no? I think this is resemble that yung naging bato sila. Tapos again, 18 was like, gonna be there for you guys, we're gonna fight for you guys. And yes, actually I was there, but I was there silently, also fighting with them, with a great fight. And again, during that time I was in the production side, so I cannot really like involve myself fully in that, but I totally support them on their fight, and I know what happened, and also we got affected fully. Of course, that's on a different story to tell, but again, I think that's, for me, that is the actual representation of the video. Let's get back.
Pag laging may gulo, pag kamalas, di ko galing tumakbo, dito lang ako, kasalanan ko lahat ng to, nakumpay sa paggusto. Ano pagiramdam? Ano pagiramdam? Anong pagiramdam? Anong pagiramdam? Anong pagiramdam? Nakumpay sa paggusto.
Galing. I think that is the actual message. This is like the a little bit of the story, in my opinion. Again, it's a little bit of the story of what happened to them previously. Again, it's my understanding of the video, and sabi ko nga na ay nakaka-relate ako sa anong pakiramdam. And to be honest, it took me a while to be able to let go of the pagtatag era, and kasi yun was the most challenging time that I have as an 18 na pagtatag era. But then SB19. Was working with them, and I know that ano yun, kumbaga it's for the better good, it's for the better, and then of course with the 18 in the UAE, United 18 and UAE 18 fighting alongside with them. So that was really nice. It was very, very challenging, but I think this is ito talaga yung mensahe ng para sa akin. I mean, of course we all can relate in different manner or in a different way, but ito yung nararamdaman ko talaga, narinig ko yung dami, parang may mensahe talaga yun. Parang, di ba? Kaya nung sabi na, galit ba sila? No, I think I just want to relay some message. This is my observation on the video, and also on the message of them. So I'm really so excited to see and to know what is the continuation, which as you can see, it's not complete. So I am really excited to know what will be the next video and what will be the next song is. And I think, no, by judging by this, it could be there's some sort of continuation on the videos and on the songs. Ayun. That is my reaction, guys, and I hope kahit paano, no, kahit I was probably the last one to react onto this, and I hope you still get some insights and nag-enjoy naman na kayo kahit paano. And again, this is your Kuya Uzi, and I do thank you first for being there, still watching this channel. Kahit matagal akong hindi nakapagawa ng reaction video, as I've said, I'm holding myself that time, and also hindi talaga din siguro ako pwede. It's because there are some things that I have to keep a secret. But now, pag the tag is over and Dam is here, and ayun, so excited for this era ng pagiging 18 natin. And also for me as a producer, my producer's point of view regarding this, Dam, sabi ko nga, bibigay ko rin sa inyo yung perception ko. I think Dam is kind of song that is bago, isang pandinig na kumbaga ito yung another flavor ng SB19 to be able to grasp more 18. Importante yan, di ba, na patuloy na lumaki yung pamilya, lumaki yung community, para at least, diba, mas lalong mag-flourish, di ba, kung ano man yung mga goals na gusto nila and nilang ma-achieve, at gusto ng 18 na ma-achieve, no, in terms of this. And I really do hope na ma-achieve nila, kasi they all deserve kung ano man na meron sila ngayon, and plus kung ano pa yung mararating nila. And I'm just happy that like marami pa rin tumatangkilik, no? Even pag dadating tong concert nila dito sa UAE, I'm pretty sure the 18 will support, and more 18 na mga bago, and I can see that even on the group, no, na maraming nag-join and keep on growing. So ayun, for this point of view, maganda yung kanta, makakahatak siya, maganda yung atake. The song is the banger. I mean, like, importante talaga yan, yung may banger song na mabigat, di ba? Yung may lively song, na upbeat song na magpo-connect sa tao kapag nandun na sa entablado ng actual stage. Can be the last song, the banger song, or it can be the intro song, the banger song. Yan yung pinaka, kasi siyempre, again, if they're gonna promote simula to cast, there has to be that banger song. And eto yun, Dam is the banger song. So, ayun, and that is my reaction to this Uzi Vlogs po. Hope you enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell, and also leave some comments and like and share. And again, this is my comeback. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this reaction video. See you soon, guys. Bye. Dam, dam, dam. sobrang ganda. Yeah. Bye guys.